Hello, this is Garemore, and I just got a small display, and it is connected to my PS4 via this HDMI splitter, so I can have the signal go to the TV and to the smaller display. I'm gonna show it in action. I'm just gonna play one of my own videos so I don't get a copyright warning. Hello, this is Gare, and this is an update on my automatic output selectors. Yeah, the audio comes from the TV, not from here. The reason I'm not using the audio outputs on here is because I'm using the controller audio in this project. That was a mistake. I was not trying to do that. Let me go to a brighter portion. There we go. And then I can show the home menu. Proof that it's connected to my PS4. I can show the home menu. There we go. That's an update on future project. And also future plans. I plan to make this wireless. And right now how I'm powering the screen, there is a power supply back here. When I unplug it, it goes away. I have designed it so that it can be used, so you can use either this screen or the monitor. Let's see, I can turn off the monitor and it will still work. Yeah, we got no audio obviously because audio comes from the monitor. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow me on social media. Support me by buying from my stores. Links are in the description. Goodbye.